our country. And then so in the region of CAR, we all know that Typhoon Pepe came here and destroyed a lot of property. Also in the region of Ilocos region and in region 2. So at like Typhoon Ondoy, Typhoon Pepe destroys a lot of properties and kills many lives of many people. And um, reporting about the situation in Baguio, here is Mavic Castillo to report about the situation there. Mavic? Yes, hello. Good morning, everyone. Now I'm here with one of the evacuation center, and I'm now talking to one of the families who have been evacuated. Hi, I'm Miss Kimberly Francisco. I will. How did you feel from this typhoon? This typhoon is very strong, and that day we are trapped in a house, and no one saves us. We have no food there for 2 days, but still we are here in the evacuation center with my husband.
We are homeless. I was worried about to feed my son Micah, and my son Abby.
Daughter.
Sorry.
Daughter.
I was begging for money. I was begging for help. But no.
Daddy, hungry. Daddy, hungry. Okay. Good morning. We are here to present and discuss important things to do in cases like typhoon or in other natural disasters. We should have necessary precautions to avoid panic. To begin with, first, determine daily weather through Pag-asa. It is important that we are aware to our weather so we can be prepared. Second, there should be enough supply of food, water, and clothes. Third, in case of brownouts, emergency lamps and candles are used. Switch off all the appliances and make sure that main switch is off. Fourth, always go to the safe places. And lastly, keep on praying and ask for God's guidance. Let's go back to Angel. Thank you, Mami. So we are calling the attention of local government to help the people in Baguio to give their needs. They need food, they need shelter, clothes, and the first necessary things they need. So to report in Rizal, James Shalimar Latin walking here to report. Good morning, everyone. I am Shalimar Motinya, reporting from Cainta, Rizal. As you can see, I am holding a large umbrella because it's still raining here in Cainta, Rizal, and also it is blowing hard. The wind is blowing hard. My umbrella is being carried away. Okay. The situations of the people here are very very miserable. They are still here in the evacuation center waiting for their relief goods. Many of their properties have been destroyed because of the typhoon Pepe. And now they're still trying to retrieve what they have lost. Back to you, Miss Angelica Tebango. So thank you, Shalimar. That information came from the television and media about weather development or demand. So once again, in Cainta, they still sa graphical error, experiencing a typhoon. So again, we are calling the local government to help the people there and their like this. So, and now, again, once again, I am Angelica Vivanco, and this is Wonder Pet Weather Television and media about